You're hot. They're hot. It's hot. Born and bred in the Lone Star State, we're no stranger to the heat. We've tried it all. Flimsy paper fans, wet towels on the back of our necks, portable fans blowing hot air, and good old-fashioned finding shade under a tree. After years of unrelenting heat and no relief in sight, we decided to take matters into our own hands. Meet Chili, a durable, sleek, and practical portable cooling device that was built to last. Created for active men and women on the go. The soccer moms, the outdoorsmen, the tailgaters, and the adventure seekers. Chili blows cool air 30 degrees lower than ambient temperature. Designed with multiple users in mind, the air vent spins 360 degrees, blowing cool air well over 20 miles per hour in any direction. Chili is easy for anyone to use. Fill the ice tray and place it in the freezer. Drop the ice block in, add some water, and you're ready to go. The custom roto-molding procedure gives the Chili a durable, insulated body, not only extending the longevity of the ice, but making it virtually indestructible. Enjoy cool air for hours with a guaranteed 3.5-hour runtime, with a stable lithium-ion battery and ice times that range from 1 to 1.5 hours. If the block runs out, just add a bag of ice. Inspired by the trusted, solid, all-American brands we grew up with, we wanted to create a solution that fit our outdoor lifestyle. Because the time spent in the great outdoors should be enjoyed, not avoided. And with a limited lifetime warranty, we at Chili stand behind our product. We've got your back. So throw out your paper fans and grab a Chili. Invest in your lifestyle. It's cool to be outside. Period.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.